Dexter is losing his mind that he's not getting to go right now, but today is Lila's special day. All right, guys, welcome to the Dawghouse. Shade Tree Surgeon, and of course Jessica here, and Princess Lila.
Don't start calling her Princess Lila, because I hate it.
Oh, I'm sorry. Don't you guys vote on the comments whether you like it or not?
Here.
Anyway, so today we're taking Lila to PetSmart. We saw Jenna Marbles do this video, and it looked like a lot of fun. We're going to take her to PetSmart, and we're going to pick out everything she touches. She's going to get every single thing she touches we're going to buy, and then we're going to take it home and let her play with it. So hopefully she picks out some good stuff. We'll see what happens.
She better touch a 55-gallon fish tank.
Oh, no way.
Oh, I'm saying.
No way. No fishes. I told Jessica if she ever gets to 5 million subscribers, then she can have a fish tank. And not one subscriber before. So if you want to see me real pissed off, then go ahead and hit that subscribe button. We're going to see how she does. She's never been to PetSmart before. She doesn't really go out of the house like the other dogs a whole lot because, like we said, she's a princess and she likes to sit and be pampered on the couch. So let's see how she does. Excited, Lila? Huh? No.
She's gone. She's really gone nowhere.
Yeah, you'll get there. She doesn't go out a lot.
Like ever.
Well, let's go. It's time for an adventure.
So does Lila have a cap on what she can buy and how much she can buy?
Well, let's see how much she buys first. Because I don't know.
Maybe I've been training her for this all along.
If she's got expensive taste, we could be in trouble here.
But she's so short, so I really don't know what she's really going to be able to pick out.
Definitely not a fish tank, I'll tell you that.
They're on the ground.
Lila, show a little enthusiasm. Lila.
No, she's trained for the car. She's a calm traveler.
So Jessica's already regretting this because, she looks like she's super on top of everything when she films a Dawghouse, but she's actually very awkward with the camera in public. And believe it or not,
I'm awkward with people in
public. So, but believe it or not, Lila is actually not the world's most friendliest dog when it comes to other puppies. So
she's not.
We gotta warn people because everyone's gonna be like, I won't let my dog sniff your dog, and Lila's gonna bite their face off. So we're gonna keep her away from other dogs. She doesn't have a very big mouth.
She's not a nice girl.
She's a brat, just the way I like them. You've kept this dog in a bubble. Now she doesn't know how to react in the real world. I don't know, how's she gonna deal with a sliding door? She's never even seen one before. No, she's not touching it. She's touching the pallet. This is new. Everything's new.
Clean up after your dogs.
See, everybody loves Lila when she comes out.
Don't touch that. No rawhides. I've got rules. Lila, come on.
What? No rawhides? What if she touched it though?
No. No poison. Oh, there you go. Look at the toys, Lila. Get the really big one.
No, nothing. She's not even seeing them.
She's looking at people. Again, foodies that are.
Look at all these toys.
And she goes.
And this is what you get. This is the boots.
For $20, you gotta be joking.
Well, looks like Grimm's getting some booties. No, nothing. None of these cool things. You just want boots for Grimm.
Get that.
Uh-oh.
Oh, look, she got two things. Guess who got this too? Oh, she likes that and the duck. She touched both. I saw it.
No, that's enough. That's enough. You don't get to touch everything. No. She picked the blue one. She picked the blue one.
And the duck. All right. I need the cart. Now she's not.
Oh, look at her. She's sitting.
She did touch this. I need a cart because now she wants all this stuff.
Yeah.
It's the car wobbler. I've always wanted one. Lila, touch some dinosaur. It's cute though.
Oh, it's a whole pink dinosaur now. Good choice.
Those are good choices.
Yeah, they're probably gonna last about 5 minutes in our house. Oh, choose wisely.
She touched it.
What'd she touch?
The wobbler.
No, you were like pointing at it.
No, I wasn't. I have my hands full.
That's what you want. You're influencing her decision. All right, grab it. I mean, she touched it. This isn't a Jessica shopping trip. This is for Princess Lila.
We've been training.
Lila!
Uh-oh. Oh, she touched that one.
Is that the one? What is it?
Pink
Oh
bunny.
my god. No, this is, she just spent like $100 in 30 seconds.
No, we'll get the small one.
You need to stop. I left for 5 seconds.
You
Jessica's, yeah, she's teaching her how to touch the giant beds. No, you can, no, that's not how it works. You don't make her touch stuff. This is getting expensive. You want to take a puppy training class? Learn some manners?
You want to get hit?
She really likes whatever's under there, which is probably, oh, dog pee? Yeah. She's doing pretty good for her first time in PetSmart, though, huh? Well, let's see if Jessica has any luck with getting a fish tank. Not a chance.
These are fish tanks. She's not. She touched this, we're gonna take it. It's ours.
No. She doesn't want it, she knows.
It's too many distractions.
No, she's staying as far away from it as possible, you can tell. Dream on, kid. It ain't happening. Let's see if she wants to pick out Poppy some gifts. Oh, that was close.
Oh, touch they're in the cages.
She doesn't want to get Poppy anything.
Look. Look at this ball that sucks.
No, she still doesn't want it.
She loves cat toys. They're her favorite. Lila.
Yeah, I can tell.
Disclaimer, don't buy these for your cats. These go right into their stomach and they're not digestible, and then you pull them right out of their butt, just like that.
She's got something. Lila.
You stole that.
That was close.
Kitty fountain.
That was close. We're almost going home with a cat fountain.
Oh, she's touching it.
Oh no!
It's cute. She liked that.
Like, is that what you wanted?
See?
Okay. Yeah, that's pretty adorable. No bags of dog food.
This is the only food I would buy if from here.
Done. Are you done shopping, Lila? This is a pretty good first time to PetSmart, though. She didn't bite anybody, so that's good. She's got pretty good taste. She picked out nothing but toys. We're being realistic here.
Yeah,
We're only picking out the stuff that she picked. We've walked her down the other aisles.
Yeah,
She
she's into that.
just wants the toys. And the bed. She got the bed, too.
We can walk by the toys, the treats one more time.
Yeah.
Check
She didn't
out.
even touch any of the treats, though.
She was distracted.
Yeah, people are going to think we're faking it. The only thing that did happen is Jessica tried to get her to touch a fish tank.
She touched it.
What'd she pick out?
Oh, I don't like this shit. No, they're okay.
All right, set them both on the ground and see which one she picks.
Sit.
That's the one. If you can jump up there, you can have it. No, the problem is that they keep the bulk stuff on the bottom. Uh-oh. What'd she get? What is it?
The femur bones.
See, this is the problem with little dogs. If you had a big dog, they could pick out a single one. Little dogs pick out the bulk bags on the bottom. What do you think? No? No. That was 100%
She
no.
wanted that instead.
All right, we're gonna go ahead and say that Lila has spent enough money for one day. This is definitely gonna be over $100. Now that we're back at the house, of course, we can't sit down and play with dog toys unless there's some wine present.
Lila picked a wine.
Let's take a look at this receipt. Lila, you are in deep trouble. Oh my God.
161.
Lila, you are in trouble. You spent way too much money at the store, you little brat. You know, $161 that Lila picked out at the store. On average, you know, I know we're all YouTube famous and everything, but the Dawghouse videos we'll make the money back because I think they make about $2 or $3 per video.
Well worth it.
Lila, you need to start earning your keep.
Oh, and of course.
She picked out Grimm's booties.
Forgot about the first pick.
Those are the first things she picked out. She wanted Grimm to look like an idiot.
Yeah, of course she did. Sabotage.
Yeah, she did good. She made Grimm look like an idiot, and she picked out a bunch of toys and a bunch of treats. That toy's probably too big for her mouth, but
she's gonna try.
She'll try real hard. And Dexter just jumped over the fence because he heard a squeaky toy.
You are in trouble.
This is Lila's day, Dexter. Go away. Lila!
You're on the max.
Lila! She's very interested. Very.
I'm excited she touched this. Just barely right here, but she touched it.
Yeah. Another toy that's way too big for her tiny mouth. She did. She got good taste. All toys. And we let her through the aisles. We let her pick out the stuff.
We tried to get her to get some treats. No,
wanted nothing but toys. That's a little big, but I guess today's a special treat Princess Day.
It's a real bone. It's not a rawhide. She wasn't allowed to touch rawhides. But her and Dexter can have this size. I don't think I'll let the other guys have these. Lila.
You excited for it? Yay, Lila! Lila!
You're gonna make it into a toy! That's not a toy. That's not a toy. Sleep.
She begs to differ. She picked it out. She gets to do whatever she wants.
Go to sleep. Oh, God.
Oh my God, oh God.
Do you want the banana?
This banana's pretty whack.
Let's see what she does.
But it's funny looking.
I want to see her run with the banana if she will. Can you even get it?
Oh no, she's getting it.
Bye.
See ya.
She's just gonna hump it.
It's a banana.
This is inappropriate. She's
humping it, Lila.
Hump it.
Lila, what are you doing?
That is gross. Give me that banana. Knew it. She's not a princess. She's a pervert.
Princess Pervert over here wants her banana back.
You ready?
She is excited now.
Okay, it's your haul.
What's first? Oh my God!
She's gonna hump that too. Nope. Oh.
Get him, Lila.
Everything gets a shake test.
Yeah, the blue one shakes real good, huh?
Yes. Oh,
found the squeaker.
I bet you
Get it, Lila.
Multiple squeaks. Nope.
Come on back here. Get the other ones. Give the other ones a turn.
Lila.
Spent $160. You better use them all.
She's giving that blue dog a turn. Yeah, get that
one. Ooh, that one shakes good too. It's got trash in it. Those are good for her. She's hoarding them over there.
Yeah, she takes to a hoarding spot.
Get it, Lila. Everyone,
you guys didn't go shopping. Be quiet.
Yeah, everyone in the store was like, she's so adorable and precious. Yes. She is a killer.
Lila. Lila. Lila, do you want this big heavy rope?
You picked it out. She's like, nah, I just wanted it in the store. And she's humping again. What?
She does that.
Lila. What are you doing?
Gross, girl. All right, I think Grimm wants a turn.
Is it time to let the other dogs play a little bit? No. Maybe we'll just let just Grimm out.
We're gonna do a puppy time. The two youngest.
Grimm, you want to help her play with her toys?
Grimmy, check out this banana though. My God. Oh.
Oh Lord.
Oh, now she wants it.
Oh, now you want the banana back? She's like, it's mine. I picked it out.
I already humped it. You really gotta hump it. Grimm. Grimmy.
If there's one thing Lila hates, it's sharing. He's just like biting every part of it.
Jeez.
Look at him biting all over it.
It's like so soft.
Oh, there, found it. That's what he was looking for. Lila, you tired already? Look at you.
Woo! Big shopping does take it out of you. I know. I used to know.
I know, you're not going shopping for a while. You spent all this money on Lila.
Grimmy.
Uh-oh. Uh-oh.
He has his.
We're letting them out one at a time.
He's good with his picks.
Well, Lila's not good with him picking it. She wants it back.
That's her boyfriend. Hey.
Yeah, that's right. You tell him, Lila. Tell him. Uh-oh. Now it's time. Now it's time to see this if this is really rip-proof.
No, don't jump. Dexter.
Oh, Dexter will take the rope.
I knew he would.
Oh, Dexter will take everything, actually.
Oh, God. I don't want the banana to die yet. Dexter, rope.
The banana's days are numbered now that Dexter is out.
Oh, Lord. There we go.
There, now that Dexter's shown her how to do it.
Gee. Okay, wait. I think you're supposed to hold it on this side. There you go. That's how you do it.
Oh my gosh, this is chaos. Dexter's decided to destroy the banana.
I don't want the bananas destroyed yet. Dexter, rope. Dexter.
Dexter wants that banana dead.
Lila,
Dexter is gnawing on this thing.
Lila, you're not cool. You're very hot. Jeez, Gunner.
Gunner coming over here to ruin everybody's day with this giant banana.
Remy.
Lila, this was supposed to be your day. What happened?
Gunner. Jeez.
Gunner!
Grim's had it.
He's had enough of your crap. He's like, all right.
Oh, no.
Oh, is it destroyed?
There's a hole.
Well, I hope that was $10 worth of enjoyment, dogs.
$10 worth of banana.
Thanks a lot, Gunner.
Yeah, Gunner.
Grimmy, Lila got a special present just for you. She picked it out, and you're gonna love it. Lila picked out some new boots for you. New boot goofing. Come on, Grimmy. You happy, you excited?
Leave it. Lay down. Pretend I'm doing your nails.
Look at her up there on the couch. She's just like,
Look how cute they are.
Good choice, Lila.
Okay. Yay, boots.
Grimmy, look at your boots.
Yay, Grimmy. Lila, let's get on my speed.
Lila, good choice on your present for Grim.
Grim, give me a hug. Here.
He likes his new boots.
They're not very good ones, but the back ones are like the hooves.
Do you have hooves, Grimmy? You got hooves?
Jump. Jump.
What was that,
Jump.
Grim? Grim.
Hug. Oh, God.
Grim's okay with his new boots.
He can wear shoes. Who knew?
Alright guys, if you like this video, don't forget to leave a like on it. And don't forget to subscribe if you haven't already, and share the video. If you guys want to see somebody else go on a shopping trip and get whatever they want, pick which dog you'd like to see. Do you want to see Grim? Do you want to see Gunner? Do you want to see Dexter go out and pick out whatever he wants?
Those are just the middle kids. You can
Yeah.
forget their names.
What about Harvey?
Harvey he should go on a shopping spree.
Harvey deserves it more than everybody
He
else.
won't ignore the treat aisle.
That's for sure.
Hey, toys, not each other.
Don't take that.
Lila,
Princess, don't take it.
do not start calling her that. Are you tired? Lila, you're tired. She's done.
Alright guys, see y'all on the next one.
Bye.
Bye.